Are you online searching for a business you can work remotely with a company that you can work with from the comfort and safety of your own home? I'm doing it right from my backyard. See? I'm building a foundation for the later years by growing my own digital business. I'm helping others build theirs using the same tools and back end office I use. Hi, I'm Denise. I'm from New York in the United States. I had no previous experience when I plugged into this platform. I followed the training at my own pace and was able to reach out to mentors and coaches who are a great support system. The bonus part is there's no bugging family and friends, making calls, having parties, and holding inventory. We do marketing efforts. To learn about the digital path I took, I'm offering a complimentary 60-minute virtual seminar full of interesting info about the digital space and what it has to offer. Reach out and I'll guide you, or sign up directly below and let's connect at www.myfamilysuccessplan.com. Thank you.